In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an email as urgent in Outlook in just 5 minutes. This skill is particularly useful when you need to grab someone's attention quickly or ensure that important information is seen promptly. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Outlook account. You'll need to open a web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. If you're not sure where to begin, simply go to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login site. This is where the journey to making your email urgent begins. Once you're on the login page, it's time to sign into your account. Click on the sign in button and enter your credentials. This step is straightforward, just make sure you have your username and password handy. It's quite an intuitive process, and before you know it, you'll be in your Outlook dashboard and ready to take the next step. Now that you're all signed in, you should find yourself on the main mail page of Outlook. This is the hub where all your emails reside, and it's where the magic happens. Take a moment to get comfortable navigating the page, as you will be spending some time here. To mark an email as urgent, you'll first need to open a new email or select an existing draft that you want to send with high priority. On the new email window, you'll notice various options at the top. What you're looking for is the option to set the email as high priority. It's represented by an exclamation mark icon, usually found in the toolbar along with other formatting options. Clicking this icon will mark your email as urgent. This visual cue is important as it signifies to the recipient that your email should be given extra attention. The email will be flagged, ensuring it stands out in their inbox. And that's pretty much it. In a few simple steps, you've learned how to prioritize your emails effectively using Outlook. Before sending your email, consider reading through it one last time. This ensures that your message is clear, accurate, and ready to be sent as high priority. This feature can be particularly useful if you're managing a project, conveying critical information, or simply need a swift response. Remember, while it's a powerful tool, it should be used judiciously to maintain its effectiveness. That wraps up our tutorial on making an email urgent in Outlook. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Don't hesitate to refer back to this tutorial whenever you need a refresher on sending urgent emails. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.